What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is entitled Karen Completely Loses It When Kicked Out of Beach Resort. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Palm Beach police officers responded to a disturbance at the Tideline Ocean Resort involving an intoxicated woman reportedly endangering her children and guests.
You're not free to leave. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do. But I said I'd leave.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, actually, I don't feel like... Get away from me.
She's bombed. You can see it in her eyes. You see her eyes? It's like she there, but nobody ain't home. Knock, knock. Who there? Nobody.
You're not free to leave. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah, I do. But I said I'd leave.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
Do you have your ID with you?
No, actually, I don't feel like... Get away from me. I know my rights.
Is everybody okay outside?
From me.
Can I even find
Get away from me. I know my fucking rights.
We need to take her outside. She disturbing me. She didn't do this. I apologize.
Is everybody okay outside?
Oh,
I know my rights.
You're going to be okay outside.
Is there any medical issues
I'm gonna go home. I'm leaving.
I find him.
Not right now, you're not.
Don't touch me. I don't want
Okay.
Don't need.
Is anyone out there injured?
My job. I have somebody.
Is anyone out there injured? Okay.
It's okay?
I don't know what they told me.
I'm leaving.
You're not free to leave.
I'm not driving.
You're not leaving. Sit down and relax.
Just try to go for this guy's tips.
I know my rights.
Are you here by
I know my
yourself?
rights.
Ma'am, are you here by
rights?
They're dealing with everything inside. I just want to let you know that I have a video.
Okay.
Just
You're a witness?
yes.
Okay, great.
One of several.
Okay. Would you
But the
mind?
only one that videoed.
Okay.
So
We'll definitely need that. Would you mind just hanging out in the lobby, or what room are you in?
I'm here. I'm actually not staying. I'm just hanging out here for the day.
Okay.
So.
Okay. All right. Would you mind just waiting until my partners get here?
We were just by the pool and we saw her.
Okay.
Very.
Okay.
You're stupid.
Be quiet.
You're stupid. I can be quiet all you want. But guess what? At the end of the day, I can get up and walk out. The minute you touch me,
You're gonna go to jail.
You touch me, you're gonna put me in jail, and you'll be sued. And you will not be a cop anymore. I will leave. Don't talk.
Ooh, you're gonna sue. Ooh, come on, like, how many, if you could get $1 for every person that says I'm gonna sue, man, I'll be rich.
I'm calling you a disturbance. I said
You're not leaving. You're under investigation.
No.
We're conducting an investigation.
Get away from me.
You can't go anywhere. Do you need medical attention?
I didn't do nothing. I did nothing. Kenny, now!
She's here with her kids, but she won't tell me how many.
Get the out of my face. I don't know what she called that.
Why?
We have to go.
Ma'am.
I would like to
Can you
tell
just
them
please stand
to
over
leave
there and talk to
alone.
me? Ma'am, why are you screaming? Okay. We're going to figure this out, but there's no need to scream. You understand? She's gone.
No.
We'll deal with her.
She said.
Listen,
She said just let her leave.
Ma'am, did I not ask you to please stand over there or something? We'll speak to you in a minute. Because if you're here, you're angering her. It just makes it harder for us, okay?
And then she wants
So can you please wait over there somewhere? We'll come speak to you after. Yes or no? Because you're really not helping.
And to be, I'm the one who told.
Okay, so we'll speak to you after. But right now, you being here is making our job harder.
And I'm going to be leaving.
That's-
You can handle her, so I'm not going to be.
We get your information. We'll come to your office.
I need to go home. And she said, I'm
What the heck is wrong with that lady, bro? What? Like, it's like she's never dealt with police before. She's antagonizing the situation. Not really antagonizing, but she's a trigger to have her keep going off. And that's why she's yelling and this and that and the third. Like, come on, get out of there, you know?
a mistake and I called the cops, but I shouldn't have. Because I should have just let you just go home.
What's your name?
You don't have any...
Well, you're not. You can't go anywhere.
Get a warrant.
We don't need a warrant.
Dude, you look like you're from a fucking weird ass movie.
Okay. So what's your name?
You don't need it.
Yeah, actually, we do because you're part of the investigation right now. So you are required.
Investigation of what? Investigation of what?
Why are you screaming?
Get a warrant. Bring it.
I don't need a warrant. Okay. We have multiple witnesses.
Multiple witnesses. Shut the fuck up, dude. I know my rights.
No, No, you don't.
I know my rights.
All right, this is how it's going to go.
Leave me alone.
You need to
Leave
identify
me
yourself.
alone.
Is that right?
I want you to leave me alone. Do that.
That's not going to happen until we get to the bottom of what happened today.
Listen,
I'm listening.
Mr. I'm 5'1". Get the f away from me.
I'm not going anywhere. She was good first. There is a witness who has a video. Apparently, like, she threw the kids in the pool, and they said she's all being erratic. There's about 20 different witnesses out there. So,
Ma'am.
Get a warrant.
Hold on.
Get a warrant. Get a warrant.
Okay. All right, you're not free to leave. Come here.
Don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop. You're going to get resisting. Face that
I'm
way.
not resisting
hands on
anything.
your back.
No.
Hands on.
Get off.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Stop. You're going to get resisting. Face that way.
I'm not resisting
Hands on
anything.
your back.
No.
Hands on.
Get off me.
All right. Relax.
We're not going that way.
Relax.
Okay.
Relax.
Let's just stop. Let's stop.
Too late for that.
Just stop.
This is what's going to happen. They're going to detain you because we have to
I
have
didn't do
questions. We
anything.
need to do our investigation. They're going to...
Then
Stop resisting.
touch me.
What is your problem?
No.
Go ahead.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
It's too late for that. Stop resisting.
Okay.
Let's go. We're going down the stairs.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you did. We'll carry you.
Get off. Get. You fucking stupid ass, dumb ass. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Damn, we got the brother as the sergeant. This is what I like to see this, man. You know, hey, shout out to my white people, you know what I'm saying? But listen, this brother right here, let's go, man. This is how I love to see it, man. Keep working.
You heard me. I'll kill you.
Listen to
Take
me.
it off.
Put her
I'll take. You know what?
Put her feet down.
Take it off.
Ma'am?
You?
We are trying to do an investigation.
Nah, dude.
You're not allowing us to do that. We need you to come.
I need a double lock this.
No. Take it off.
Do it now?
If you want to do an investigation, take it off.
You haven't allowed us
Because
to
this
do
is an
that.
investigation. Because I'm gonna call my attorney.
Okay, that's fine.
And
Let's go
then
ahead.
no,
We're gonna head
let them take it
outside.
off. Tell them to take it off. Take it off.
I'm gonna
You
call
didn't do
my
nothing.
attorney. You ain't got no attorney. Yeah.
Take it off. Now, take it off.
Stand up. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I said take it off.
We're not taking off, man. We're going to go outside. Don't kick me.
We're not going down.
Let me grab that leg. Let me grab that leg.
Grab the other leg. We're going to carry him.
Nah, you ain't carrying shit. Now it's in my hand.
You grab that leg?
Nope.
Yep.
You go.
You guys want to grab
Yes,
an
what
arm?
you do?
Grab the other.
Yep. Got it?
Don't touch me. My fucking baby is here. Stop. The way you just abuse me, you're about to get fucking. I'm gonna sue. Take these off for a second, and I'll go with you. Take them off, then I'll go with you. Take them off. Take it off, and I'll go with you. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off, and give me 2 seconds. Nah.
You're going to sit in the car and
You're gonna
relax.
shut your fucking mouth.
Why are you grabbing me? What are you doing? You're already getting a charge for resisting
asking
arrest.
you.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
What are we doing right
You're hurting me.
We're not doing anything.
I'm asking you to let. No, you're not.
That's all we
Listen, look at me. You look at me.
What? We're trying to work with you. You're not listening.
We're going to stand up.
Ready?
We're going to
Nah.
stand up.
Stand up.
She's going to need a vehicle.
Nope.
You go ahead and...
I'm going to help you.
No, I need to
I want to
get.
work with you, but you're not helping.
So help me.
Watch your leg with blood.
Yep.
You need to sit in the car and then we can work on that.
You're going to sit down.
Get
Sit up on the
away
seat.
from me.
Sit on the seat and we can work on it. You're not getting out. You're not
I'm
getting
going
out.
to fucking hit you.
No, you're
You
not.
fucking
No, you're not.
dumbass. piece of shit.
Go ahead. Yep.
Don't touch me, dude. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You got her?
Nah, he ain't got shit.
Yep. Sit in the car.
I want to talk to this guy. No.
Come on, man. How many officers does it take to get her in the car? Why isn't another officer on the other side of the truck or whatever pulling her in while the one officer right here is lifting her up on the seat? Come on, it don't take a rocket scientist to figure this out.
Sit down.
No, I didn't do anything.
Slide your other leg in the car.
Dude, I'll break my f***ing arm before I let...
Slide your leg in the car now.
Nope.
Slide your leg in the car.
Fuck you.
You already grabbed an extra charge. Keep going.
Go B.
Okay.
Go...
Okay. Okay. It's all video.
Go f***ing
You
lose.
got all these people around you.
Lose, bitch, lose. I didn't do anything, you real...
All right, I take back what I said. There's plexiglass in the middle. There's plexiglass in the middle that there's a divider, so somebody can't go on the other side. Well, that's stupid. That's stupid. Because this is, you pretty much just got one officer trying to get her. This is difficult like this.
You're going to get sued, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
You do realize you're getting sued, dude. You can uncuff me.
You're not getting uncuffed.
You can hear from my lawyer.
You're not getting uncuffed. You're not getting uncuffed.
Uncuff me.
No.
You know you should. Uncuff me now. Now.
You know you should
sit in the car.
Oh, don't start
You
crying.
realize I'm gonna sue you guys. I didn't do nothing.
All right, that's what we're trying to find out. You gonna sit down for me?
I didn't hurt anybody. I'm not under arrest. Take it off. Kitten! Take it off. I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest. I didn't do anything. Take it off now.
Man, can I explain something to you? The faster that you get in the car...
I'm not getting in the car.
You're gonna get in the car.
You don't have reason to arrest me.
You do at this point.
Get the f*** off me. Get off
I
me.
need another hand here, Anducci.
Nah, dude. Get the f*** away from me.
I need another hand. She's like a...
Nope. Get the...
You need another
she's trying to
vehicle
bite me.
without that divider, bro.
You're a f***ing dumbass. Yeah, you think that's funny? Get off me. Get the... Wanna play?
Don't fight him. Do not fight him.
Touch me again. Touch me again. Touch me again.
Keep her head back.
Nope. Why couldn't you just help me? Why do you have to be a piece of shit, dude?
Yeah, no.
Get off of me. Get off me now! Get off of me! Hey, guess
Sarge
what?
getting in the mix. Okay.
Don't touch me.
Don't open your mouth like you're gonna bite then.
Get off me. Nope.
Go and grab the hobble.
I think he had it out already.
Get away
You
from
have the
me.
hobble on.
Show me the reason you're arresting me.
You're being arrested for disorderly intoxication. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
You're going to be going to
Get
jail.
the out.
Sarge.
You're gonna ruin my life? You? Don't touch me. I got him on cam saying, oh, f me, and I won't f***ing do it. Get the f out of here.
Man, typically sergeants just sit back and just direct. They like they just be directing and pointing and shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, do that. Boop, boop, boop. Sarge getting down and dirty. Okay. Sarge with the action, boy.
The f Get out of here! Get off of me, dude.
Get her
Get
together.
off me! Get out, and I'll let him do it. Nah. To me, why are you doing this? Why? Nah, dude. You're a fucking loser. Get the fuck away from me, dude. Get away from me.
The feet are in.
Get up. Get up. Get off me! Now, rapist! Nah, dude. The Dude, you're hurting me so bad! Get me a fucking cop that cares! Call someone else! Call someone else! You're hurting me so bad! Officer, you gotta do something! My wrist is bleeding out! I'm bleeding out! I'm beating myself! I'm bleeding out! Get someone else! Officer, get someone else down. Not him. No. Dude, when I call the lawyer, you're going to be the ones to lose. Hey, take it off my head. Nope.
You want to do it like that, Sarge?
Watch me.
Why not?
You want to
This
be
would
you?
have been a benefit of having a full page.
Watch.
She's gonna be transported.
Okay, approve.
Got any blood on you?
No, but,
Before she bit you?
yeah.
All right.
No broken skin.
Battery?
No broken skin, but it's still battery Leo.
Yeah.
All right.
The woman was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with and without violence and disorderly intoxication. Her children were safely located and released into the care of appropriate guardians. Inside her hotel room, officers found approximately 10 empty Twisted Tea cans and a partially full bottle of liquor. The charge for resisting without violence was later dropped, while the remaining charges were resolved through pretrial diversion, a program that allows eligible defendants to avoid a conviction by completing court-supervised conditions.
Come on, man. Come on. Whatever. Listen, they did a good job. I ain't gonna lie to you. In the beginning, I was a little worried. I ain't gonna lie, but they did a pretty good job. I like that Sarge got busy too. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of times Sarge, they just be directing. You know what I'm saying? Sergeants and lieutenants, they just be, oh, do this, do this, do that. Like, instead of, hey, we're going to get the hobble, boom, but you guys do it. Boom, boom. Sergeants don't be getting their hands dirty like that. So he was with the action. I ain't gonna lie. So I fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I give these guys, man, I'm giving these guys a 4 out of 5, man. They did a great job. You know what? Nah, I'm giving 5 out of 5 because he got bit and he held his composure. That right there takes a lot. You know what I'm saying? When you get bit, when you get spit on and things like that, or hit, and you able to hold your composure, keep yourself calm, and not get out of pocket, that takes a lot. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm definitely, I was going to give a 4, but because of that, I definitely give a 5 out of 5, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.